The Rejected Sign by Saldi Sharnock. Moreover, also I gave them my Sabbaths to be a sign between me and them, that they may know that I am the Lord that sanctified them. Wegam et Sabetotai Natati Lahem. Moreover, also I gave them my Sabbaths. Leheyot, Leot, Beni, Be, Ubenehem, to be a sign between me and them. Ladaat ki ani Yod Hey Wow Hey Mekadesam, that they might know that I am the Lord that sanctified them. Wegam is a Hebrew word that combination of conjunction word and a a a conjunction. The root word is gam. Et is a direct object, and sabetotai is a Hebrew word that means my Sabbaths. It is a combination of noun and conjugation of one singular first person. Natati is a Hebrew word that is composed of verb and a conjugation of first person singular. Natati, the root word is natan, which means to give. Lahem is a Hebrew word, a preposition. The third person plural, lahem, them. In English, it is them. And liot is a Hebrew word that a combination of preposition with a verb and an conjugation of feminine infinitive to be. The root word is haya, that means to be. Leot is a Hebrew word, combination of preposition and a noun. At leot, the root word is ot, which means a sign. The Hebrew word beni is a preposition and combined with conjugation first person singular. That means between me, beni, and the root word is bahin. Obenehem is a Hebrew word which means and them. This is a combination of conjunction word and preposition with conjugation of third person plural masculine. Obenehem. The root word is bayin. Dadaat is a Hebrew word that means that they might know. The root word is yada. This is the verb and plus a preposition. Then the Hebrew word ki is a conjunction conjunction word that means that. The Hebrew word ani is a pronoun, first person singular. That means I am. Yod Hey Wow Hey is the name of Elohim. Mekadesam is our Hebrew word that means who sanctifies them. It is combination of verb, past participle, and conjugation with the third person masculine. Third masculine in Hebrew and Wegam et sabetotai natati lahem. Leheyot leot beni ubenehem. Ladaat ki ani yod hey wow hey mekadesam. And hallow my Sabbaths, they shall be a sign between me and you, that ye may know that I am the Lord your Elohim. We et sabetotai kadeso, and hallow my Sabbaths. Wehayu leot bene ubenekem, and they shall be a sign between me and you. Ladaat ki ani yod hey wow hey Elohim, that ye may know that I am the Lord your God. We'et, the Hebrew word we'et is a conjunction word and direct object. The sabitotai is a Hebrew word that means may Sabbats, a combination of noun and conjugation of first person singular. The root word is Shabbat. Kadesu is Hebrew word that means holy. It is a combination of verb then with the conjugation of uh, plural kadesu. Then the Hebrew word wihayu is a combination of conjunction word, verb, and conjugation of third person. Wihayu. That means and they will be. The root word is haya. Leot is a Hebrew word that means assigned. The combination of preposition and noun. Beni is a Hebrew word that means between me. This is a preposition plus plus conjugation of first person singular. The root word is bayin. The Hebrew word obinekem is combination of conjunction word, preposition, and conjugation of second person masculine plural. Masculine. The root word is bayin. Ladaat is the Hebrew word that means that you may know. This combination of preposition and verb. The root word is yada. The Hebrew word ki is conjunction that means that. The Hebrew word ani is pronoun that means I am. Yod hey wow hey, the name of Elohim. Elohim is the Hebrew word Elohim is a combination of noun and second conjugation of second person masculine. Elohim. The root word is Elohim. And I will bring you out from the people, and I will gather you out of the countries wherein you are scattered, with a mighty hand, and with a stretched out arm, and with fury poured out. Where Hoseti at Etekem mean Ha'amim, and I will bring you out from the people. Weka Seti Etekem mean Haorasoa, and will gather you out of the countries. Aser Neporasetem Bam, wherein ye are scattered. Beni Beyad Hasaka Obeseroa Netoya, with a mighty hand and with a stretched out arm. Ubehema Sepuka, and with fury poured out. Wehosete is a Hebrew word that means and I will bring out. The root word is yatsa. The combination of conjunction word and plus a verb. Etekem is a direct object and combination of second person masculine you. The Hebrew word mean is a preposition that means from. Ha'amim means the peoples. It is a combination of article and a noun. Masculine plural. The root word is which means people. The root word wikibasti is combination of conjunction word plus verb and conjugation of first person plural and gather wikibasti. The root word is kabas and gather. Etekem, the Hebrew word etekem is a direct object with the conjugation of second masculine plural. That means you. The Hebrew word mean is a preposition that means out. The Hebrew word ha'arasot is combination of article and noun and a conjugation of feminine plural. Ha'arasot. The root word is eretz. That means earth. The Hebrew word aser is pronoun and that means where. Neposotem is this Hebrew word is combination of verb and conjugation of second masculine person. The root word is puts, which means scattered. Bam is a preposition with conjugation of third person masculine. Bam. The root word is bo. The Hebrew word bayad is a combination of preposition and a noun, feminine singular. Bayad with yad. The root word is yad, means hand. Hasaka is the Hebrew word hasaka is that means mighty. The root word is jasak. This is adjective, feminine singular. Ubisrowa is a Hebrew word with conjunction word, preposition and a noun, feminine singular. The root word is seruwa, that means arm or strength. The Hebrew word netuya is a combination of verb and past participle, feminine singular. The root word is nata. The Hebrew word obehema is a combination of conjunction word, preposition and noun, feminine singular. The meaning is with fury. The root word is hema, means fury. The Hebrew word sepuka is a combination of verb and past participle, feminine singular. The meaning is poured out. The root word is shapak. In Ezekiel 20 verse 12, Elohim gave the Israelites the Sabbath as a sign. This is the generation that came out of Egypt but never entered the promised land. In Ezekiel 20 verse 20, Elohim gave the Sabbath again as a sign, but this time the generation did not come out of Egypt. They were born in the wilderness, and they are the one to enter the promised land. The sign of Elohim has been rejected from time to time, but Elohim is still pleading for people to accept his sign. In Ezekiel 20 verse 34, Elohim again offers the Sabbath as a sign. This time the offer is for the generation of Israel who are scattered in all the world. Will they accept or reject the sign? Today Elohim offers to us his 7-day Sabbath as a sign. In Hebrews 4:9, we have the chance to accept the sign of Elohim. In Hebrews 4:11, Elohim pleads to us to accept his sign. In Hebrews 4:9, we read, "There remaineth therefore a rest to the people of Elohim." In Hebrews 4:11, we read, "Let us labor therefore to enter into that rest, as any man fall after the same example of unbelief." Today, many are rejecting Elohim's sign. They said Saturday Sabbath is for the Jews only, and Sunday Sabbath is for Christians. Keeping Sunday is discriminating the Jews among Christians and rejecting Elohim's sign. Thanks for watching. Elohim bless you.